Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Cleaning your HP EliteBook 640G4 is essential for maintaining its performance. To start, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a can of compressed air, and microfiber cloths. Make sure you work in a clean, static-free environment to prevent any damage to the components. First, turn off your laptop and unplug it from any power source. If your model has a removable battery, take it out. If not, you can skip this step. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of your laptop. Typically, there are around 10 screws that need to be removed. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully take them out, and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. After the cover is off, you'll see the internal components, including the fan, heatsink, and motherboard. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from these areas. Make sure to hold the can upright and use short bursts to prevent moisture from entering the system. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, focus on the fan. Dust accumulation can hinder its performance. Clean the fan blades using a microfiber cloth, and ensure that it spins freely. If you find excessive dust buildup, consider using more compressed air around the fan area. If you don't have the tools or prefer assistance, our pickup and delivery at your home service is available to help you. No calls, no travel, just a quick, hassle-free solution. After cleaning the fan, turn your attention to the heatsink. This component is crucial for maintaining optimal temperatures. Ensure it's free from dust and debris as well. If you notice any thermal paste wear, it may be wise to reapply thermal paste. This requires removing the heatsink, so ensure you check your warranty and guidelines first. If you need a quote before repair, we can provide that as well. Now that everything is clean, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the bottom cover back on, ensuring all clips snap into place. Reinsert all screws securely using the Phillips screwdriver. Once everything is tightened, it's time to reconnect your battery and power on the laptop. Finally, after reassembly, it's a good idea to check if everything is functioning properly. Listen for any unusual noises from the fan, and ensure the device operates smoothly. Regular internal cleaning will not only enhance performance but also prolong the life of your HP EliteBook 640G4. If you'd like professional help with this process, remember we offer services tailored to your needs, ensuring a hassle-free experience for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.